From the moment the 2025 Bronco Sport rolled onto my radar, I knew this was no ordinary SUV. It's the wild child of the Bronco family, packing the Sasquatch off-road package into a compact body. Right off the bat, you'll feel the difference. Ford didn't just make it rugged, they weaponized it for weekend warriors and trailblazers. Under the hood, the turbocharged EcoBoost engine offers smooth power delivery, and on pavement driving, it handles tighter than you'd expect from an off. But this video isn't just about spec numbers, it's about real-world thrill. Cue the rock crawling, dirt marching, and water splashes as I tackle rocky terrain, pushing the suspension and locking all-wheel drive to its limits. We'll get close to how the Sasquatch package lives up to its promises, measuring ground clearance, testing hill descent control, and seeing how it handles muddy. And yes, we'll talk practicality, rear seat space, cargo room, and fuel economy. Because not everyone lives in the boonies. By the end, I'll give you the raw truth. Is this Bronco Sport hype justified, or is it just a rugged aesthetic with mediocre performance? Stick around till the end. I've got a surprise comparison you won't want to miss.